Strong Indian economy, how it is being built, how Indian economy is being strong, and what are the advantages or preferences granted to entrepreneurs, investors to invest in India. Now, India offers multi-decade breakout opportunity, means economic activity can be conducted for many decades, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 decades. Uh, fundamentals are fundamentals are strong, but the what is advised is the country has to create new job opportunities because of huge population. Indian Indian economy needs to provide huge job opportunities to the young Indians. Indian economy is not disturbed even with geopolitical tensions, disrupting old alliances, supply chains being cracked down, being redrawn, and artificial intelligence accelerating technology led disruption. India is emerging as one of the world's most strategically important economies, a country increasingly viewed by global headquarters as both growth engine and a geopolitical balancing force. This is the opinion of international economists about Indian economy. There are wars in the Middle East, US and China tensions, sanctions, and rising trade barriers are affecting global activity. India is even under such circumstances, global disruptions, India is emerging as a country with strong relationship across geopolitical blocks and uniquely positioned to become bridge economy and trusted partner to multiple major powers. India is becoming a trusted partner to multiple major powers to major powers of economic sector. The world is not the world is not becoming less connected with India. India is pushing multinational companies to not just look at cost arbitrage but also increasingly focus on resilience, geopolitical flexibility, and long-term market potential while deciding future investments. All these are assurances given to global entrepreneurs and investors. Most global chief executive officers are now seeing India as a genuine multi-decade breakout opportunity, a market where companies need to invest, compete, and build for long-term global growth. The underlying fundamentals of India are strong enough to sustain momentum for many years and potentially for some decades. Globalization is taking a very different shape as companies rethink where they manufacture, source products, and deploy capital. India is a large consumer market as the world's leading destination of global capability centers and as a potential manufacturing base for global operations. India is now it is how companies can successfully build and scale in one of the world's most important emerging economies. India does not need another way of discipline, execution, particularly the manufacturing. India is India is became model for disciplined execution, particularly in manufacturing. The next 2 to 5 years will be critical. India must convert policy intent into factories, jobs, exports, and sustained industrial competitiveness. These are the opinions of world-known economists about India. India must push forward to raise manufacturing as a share of GDP while continue to scale up infrastructure, improve industrial execution, and take steps to simplify ease of doing business. Chief executive officers are seeing India as a multi-decade breakout opportunity, a market where companies need to invest, compete, and build for long-term global growth. This is the opinion expressed about Indian economy by world-known economists.